this afternoon, and yeah, might pick you up as well. We'll see what happens. There could be another coach down there a bit later on as well. So you just got to have your seatbelts on as we travel down. There is a dirt road that we're going to travel on. It's a little bit rough, not too bad, you know, it is the outback, so got to get a bit of red dirt somewhere. It's only about a 5 to 10 minute journey down there. Once we get down there, there will be some staff from the hotel, and they will walk you up onto a sand dune, and this is where, yeah, you'll have a bit of a look around, and then it'll go dark, and then you walk through the lights later on with a bit of luck. Should be a cracker sunset tonight down there, I reckon, on the sand dunes. Great spot to do sunset, so I'm sure you'll have a great evening. So where I drop you is not where we pick you up. I'll show you those different points as we get down there. There's always staff around. There is a toilet block down there. It's right at the end of the walk. So yeah, if you do need one of those while you're down there, you can use those. But yeah, it should be nice. Should be nice, hopefully. Just about to hit the dirt road, so yeah, it's a bit bumpy. See how we go. I can't drive too fast. I get a bit upset when we throw red dust everywhere. So just be just cruising along it a little bit. Just sit back. Now we'll be down there in about 5 minutes. People you'll be looking to see once you get up there, because they've got the pop-up bar just up there on the right. So I'll just swing around and bring you back here. You just got to walk up to where those people are. They're just pouring you champagne at the moment, I think. Should be good. So you head up there first, and then obviously it'll go dark, and then you'll walk down, and these are where the lights are, so they haven't lit up yet. But you can sort of see these globes in the ground. Then you've got Uluru behind it. So yeah, it's the first desert installation in the world done by Bruce Monroe there. So yeah, it's still very spectacular. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. So this is the collection point later. This is where you'll end up after you've walked through the field of lights. And there's toilets here on the right. So that's the meeting point. They'll tell you what time you've got to be here and what time these coaches leave. While you're up having a few drinks, they'll have a chat to you and tell you what happens. So yeah, just take all your belongings with you, because you might not come back on this coach, so see what happens. We're doing all sorts of transfers, so it's best to keep it with you. So you can get off quick and get to the drinks quicker. I'll open both the doors for you so you can